Hi, we are at Pangong, Leh, and we are staying at Khayoul Cottages. Very excellent stay here. People are very hospitable. Hospitality is excellent. They are very caring and they really take care of us. Very good food served here. Rooms are clean, extremely good. I highly recommend it. Thank you.
살짝 एकदम हिल छ
Hey, my name is Vidya. I'm from Singapore. We are visiting Ladakh for the first time, and we did an amazing trek with a group. And this is such a beautiful place in the entire world, in the entire universe. So I think everyone, if they get a chance to come and visit it once in a lifetime, they should. So feel safe, just come here, just prepare for the cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.